So a couple of weeks ago I did a lesson on A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman, and I thought I'd have a go at a different one from that film today. It's going to be This Is Me. So we're going to go from the chorus, and we're going to start by putting your thumb onto the middle C to get the right position, but then moving your second finger and all the others up one so that your second finger's on the E. And the first bit goes E, G, and then two A's. And then come back down to the G and the E. Two E's. So that's the first bit. And then we're going to put our little finger back on the G where it would be usually. So we're back to that middle C position. And then go little finger on the G and then E, D, C. So if we do that all so far, we back up to the E on the 2. Little finger. Does the same thing twice. Then the next part is still staying here on the middle C. We're going to go thumb, little finger, middle finger, which is C, G, E. Same thing again. And one more time. And a couple more E's. 2 D's. And then 3 C's in the end. So if I play that bit again, it's the C, G, E 3 times, and on the 3rd time you have some extra E's. 2 D's, 3 C's. And that's it. So if I play the whole thing through, you're going to start with the E on the 2. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, you can hit the like button, and you can also subscribe to the channel to see more of my videos, and there should be links flying up on the screen now for you to click on. Thanks, have fun.